So I'm using my 360 tripod for the first time and I'm very excited. I got it since August. This is December and I'm just trying it for the first time. I just got back from work. So this is supposed to be a spend the evening vlog with me. I have something to unbox. I want to arrange some things with those items. What else am I gonna do? But I hope this is a good angle. I really hope so because I think I want to use this to shoot today's video. I just need to cut this open. I think I am opening what I am most excited about. This is something very heavy. So let us unbox this. This should be a cast iron wok. Okay. Oh my gosh. It's so pretty. So heavy. I'm going to cook with it today. I don't know why I'm shouting. I don't need to shout. I'm wearing a microphone for God's sake. It is so heavy. I'm cooking with this. So trust me, I already planned it a bit. I want to make stir-fried spaghetti. This should be basket. Oh, this is the kettle. So pretty. See how pretty it is. A lot of oh, I don't know what this is, but it's so nice. It's a key holder. It says for every kitchen rinse and cleanse. Thank you so much. Every single time I buy something from her, she gifts me something. I want to unbox this last. This is the one closest to me, right? And then funny. I already put in the baking things, baking powder, just some milk, margarine, and rice plate. This is what currently looks like, and I want this to be in basket. I'm just going to transfer this little what I have in here and close it up. I just used one of the baskets to arrange tomatoes. This one is supposed to be for banga, but I recently just used banga, so I have just one thing of that. Cornflour is here. Take this. But this fork is so lightweight, so nice. Some of the beef, not everything, because everything is not for this food.
You're sick of my madness. Don't you tell me what I supposed to do. You're better off without me. Don't you tell me what I supposed to do. When I'm walking on the streets half naked, it's part of me, it's part of me. When I'm making my great makeup, it's part of me, it's part of me. When you're crushing on my dreams and you're making me so full, get out of my life. I know what I'm supposed to do. When you're crushing on my dreams and you're making me so full, I know what I'm supposed to do. Naked. I know what I'm supposed to
I'm
do.
exhausted, you guys, and I'm done. So I'm just going to sweep here off camera because I don't think I want to be carrying tripod around while sweeping. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.